In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with GitHub. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection between your Trello board and GitHub, so updates can flow in both directions and your team can stay in sync. Start by opening Trello in your browser and signing in. From the home page, head to your board's view so you can pick the workspace you want to connect. Choose the specific board where you manage issues or tasks you want tied to GitHub. It's best to pick a board your team already uses so the integration immediately fits into your workflow. Once the board is open, look to the top of the screen for the power-ups icon. This is Trello's way of extending a board with extra features. Click that icon to open the panel, then select Add Power-ups to browse the directory. This will show you a searchable catalog of tools you can install on your board. Use the search bar and type GitHub. You'll see several options, but the one we want is called GitHub plus Trello two-way sync. Click into it to read the description and confirm it fits your needs. This power-up is designed to keep Trello cards and GitHub items aligned without manual copying, which is ideal for developers and project managers working together. Next, click Add to install it on your board. Trello may show an additional confirmation or a small dialog asking for permission, so go ahead and click Add again to finalize. If you're prompted to authorize access, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your accounts securely. This is normal and ensures the power-up can read and write the information needed for syncing. Give Trello a moment to finish the installation. When it's done, you'll see GitHub plus Trello two-way sync listed under your board's power-ups. That confirms the integration is active. If you ever need to revisit it, open the power-ups panel again to manage settings, view documentation, or remove it. A couple quick tips to make setup smoother. Make sure you have the right permissions on both the Trello board and the GitHub repositories you plan to use, and consider testing the integration on a sample card before rolling it out across the entire board. If something doesn't appear, refreshing the page or reopening the Power-Ups panel can help. And that's it. You've connected Trello with GitHub using the GitHub plus Trello two-way sync power-up, laying the groundwork for a cleaner, more automated workflow. Thanks for watching and happy building.